Senate nigo yagokere ekerengo g'ekibesa Chikaonti kirachie kwenyorera ase omwaka gw'ekibesa gw'echilifu 2025 na 2022 ekiokere Chibilioni chimienya 2023 ase nkwane yabo ime ebunge ya Senate nigo abagabana baborigwe gotumeka ebesa EYIO ase enchira erengia erigwikerania amagenderero ase Chikaonti chingaki bono banchiranire nekerengo ekioki ebesa na kumusaba omowaziri gwekiganche kenene ko ene kibuna chibesa ichio nkubwatu kwa chire ase engaki eganerio gotebana konde wensi gotayo.
And budget on the county government's equitable share cash disbursement schedule for the financial year 2026-2027 laid on the table of the Senate on Thursday 18th of June, and that pursuant to section 17(7) of the Public Finance Management Act and Standing Order number 189(3) of the Senate Standing Order, the Senate approves the county equitable share cash disbursement schedule for the financial year 2026-2027. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is a fairly straightforward report. Having passed the county allocation of revenue bill yesterday, the next procedural step is to pass the cash disbursement schedule, which takes monies to our counties. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is a very crucial report which guides the CS Finance in the disbursements of cash to our counties. On a number of occasions, there has been a delay in compliance with this schedule. Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg that the CS Finance do comply with this schedule. It's a very important document that all our counties are relying upon. Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to move and ask Senator Eddie Okech to second.
Dora, and as long as you have passed this, the Speaker, it is critical that all monies that go to the counties are honored and are sent there on time. And therefore, this is the importance of the piece of legislation that we are passing here today, that the National Treasury must be able to honor. And Mr. Speaker, if you look at the schedule that has been shared, it actually articulates the amounts that are supposed to go to the counties on a regular basis. In fact, it actually puts it into a chunks of almost a monthly basis. Governors must now rise to the occasion that I know people are going to the election, and I know some governors will start using excuses around things like imprest to be able to take these monies from the counties. We must stand firm that the monies we have sent to the county must be used the right way, because we have done our work. Even as we go on recess, we have sent our monies to the counties. We have put the framework, the legal framework, to ensure that the National Treasury will be giving money to the counties on time. The biggest task now is for the common man.
Ayes 31 votes, nays 0, abstention 0. So the ayes have it.